Our focus question. In art class, Katie was creating a project. She was first given the task to color the following picture. What is the area of the picture, or of the figure that she needs to color? So she needs to color this whole part of this picture. So what we need to do is find the area of each of these parts, and then we will add them together to find the total area of the whole thing. So if we start with our triangle here, notice how we have the area of triangle 1 and triangle 2. These triangles, they both have 3 inches, and this is going to be 4 for both of them. So our base and our height, we have 3 times 4. Remember, the area of a triangle is base times height divided by 2. Area of a triangle. So we have that base times height. We have 3 times 4, which is 12. And now we'll divide that by 2. So the area of our triangles is going to be 6. So the area of triangle 1 is 6. The area of triangle 2 is 6. Now we have the area of the rectangle, because they're the same thing, remember. And they're inches squared. You can put inches squared if you want to. You don't have to right now, because we do have it at the bottom. Alright, so now the area of the rectangle, base times height, so we have 5 times 7. Whoop, that was not straight. Close enough. 5 times 7, which is going to be 35. So we'll have 35 here. Inches squared. You don't have to necessarily put that. Now, if we add all of them up, if we have 35, we add 6 to that, you get 41. And then you add another 6, and you get 47. And it'll be in inches squared. And that is going to be it for our focus question. So make sure you have these written down. And that's going to be it for the focus question. Great job.